Every automaker is scrambling to force you into an electric vehicle, but Kia just flipped the script. On May 29th, their heavily guarded $234 million mega factory is unleashing a vehicle that proves gasoline and hybrid power aren't dead yet. Let's talk about the European car market. Right now, it's a complete bloodbath. Legacy brands are prematurely axing their beloved gas models to chase an all-electric future, leaving everyday drivers stuck with massive price tags, frustrating charging networks, and major range anxiety. But Kia, they're playing a completely different game. They just officially pulled the curtain back on the highly anticipated 2027 Kia XCeed facelift, and it is stepping directly into the most competitive crossover segment in the world. This isn't just another boring compact SUV. It is a highly calculated strike. For years, the XCeed has been the absolute sweet spot for buyers who want the elevated ride height and ruggedness of an SUV, paired with the agile, low-slung handling of a sporty hatchback. Now, it has evolved into something much more lethal, but to understand why this car is going to dominate, you need to see what they are hiding inside the factory. First, let's look at the exterior styling. Kia has integrated their bold, opposites united design language into the new XCeed, giving it an aggressive, modern stance that demands attention. You get sharper LED light signatures, a heavily revised front grille, and a sculpted profile that looks razor sharp without screaming for attention like some of its overstyled competitors. But what really matters is what happens when you open the door and step inside. The cabin has undergone a massive technological leap. You are instantly hit with a stunning dual 12.3-inch digital display setup that completely dominates the dashboard. It's fast, highly intuitive, and hyper-connected to everything you need. They've also integrated Digital Key 2.0, meaning you can unlock, start, and share your car entirely from your smartphone. No more bulky key fobs ruining the line of your jeans. And because Kia knows you actually have to drive this thing on tight, winding, and often broken European roads, they didn't just stop at screen upgrades. Engineers completely retuned the suspension and steering systems. They specifically targeted cabin quietness and vibration reduction, meaning your daily commute just got significantly more luxurious. But here's where things get really interesting, and it's a big reason why the 2027 XCeed is going to violently steal market share from its rivals. Under the hood, Kia is refusing to put all their eggs in the EV basket. Instead, they are offering a hyper-flexible powertrain lineup designed for reality. Want to reduce your emissions and save major cash at the pump? Grab the advanced mild hybrid (MHEV) option. It uses a 48-volt system to seamlessly assist the engine, delivering smooth, torque-rich acceleration from a dead stop while sipping fuel on the highway. It gives you the efficiency of an electrified vehicle without the complex plug-in hassle. But what if you want something with a little more punch for aggressive passing on the Autobahn? You can still get the powerful 1.6-liter turbocharged SmartStream petrol engine, pushing a robust 177 horsepower. It's an approach that perfectly respects the driver's needs today, rather than forcing them into tomorrow's technology before they are financially ready. Now, I mentioned a heavily guarded mega factory earlier, and this is the secret to Kia's entire European domination strategy. On May 29th, the new XCeed will officially roll off the assembly line at Kia's state-of-the-art facility in Žilina, Slovakia. This plant is an absolute industrial powerhouse. It employs around 3,700 people, working alongside more than 600 advanced manufacturing robots across 5 massive production areas. Last year, this single factory pumped out over 300,000 vehicles. But why does this matter to you? Because of how they are building the cars. Over the past year, Kia poured $234 million into modernizing this exact facility. Now, they are running one of the most advanced, flexible production lines on the planet. When the 2027 XCeed rolls down the line, it is being built shoulder to shoulder with the highly acclaimed Sportage, as well as Kia's brand new fully electric EV4 and the ultra-affordable EV2. Most traditional automakers need entirely separate factories to build electric cars and gas cars. Kia builds them on the exact same floor. This insane flexibility means if market demand suddenly shifts, if people want more hybrids and fewer EVs or vice versa, Kia can pivot overnight without shutting down production or jacking up vehicle prices to cover billions in losses. And that brings us to the real genius behind the 2027 Kia XCeed. It isn't trying to reinvent the wheel, it is simply giving you the absolute best, most refined version of what actually works in the real world right now. While other brands are alienating their core customers by deleting options, Kia is doubling down on them. They took a best-selling formula, wrapped it in killer new styling, injected it with top-tier technology, and kept the powertrains that people actually want to buy. The 2027 XCeed is proof that you don't need a heavy lithium-ion battery pack to drive a cutting-edge vehicle.